let's solve this together. It says 4 to the power of x dot 4 to the power of x dot 4 to the power of x is equal to 84. And we're going to solve for the values of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say that this dot here simply needs multiplication, okay? So let me get out of the way. Dots here is equal to multiplication, alright? So when we have this, you're simply multiplying, okay? So when you're multiplying numbers in the same base, you add the power. So you're going to have 4 raised to power. Adding the powers here would be x plus x is equal to 84, alright? Now, x plus x is 3x, so we have 4 raised to power 3x to be equal to 84, okay? Now, 84 here can be re-expressed, and 4 can also be re-expressed. So we have that 4 is equal to 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 2 squared, okay? 84 on the other hand is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, okay? So this is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 2 times 7 is 84. And this is equal to 2 squared times 3 times 7, okay? Now, replacing these with 4 and 84 here, we're going to have that this becomes, okay, so this becomes 2 squared raised to the power of 3x to be equal to 2 squared times 3 times 7, okay? Now, when you have this, it's in the form of a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n, and this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. The same thing applies here. You're going to have 2 raised to the power 2 times 3x is 6x to be equal to, here you have 2 squared times 3 times 7, okay? From here, you can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. So taking the logarithm of both sides, you have logarithm of 2 to the power of 6x to be equal to logarithm of 2 squared times 3 times 7, okay? In bracket like this. Now when you are taking the logarithm, you take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. So the number carrying this x is 2. So we take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Taking the logarithm in base 2 now, when we have this, you multiply the power with the log. So we have 6x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, when you have multiplication, you replace with plus. So we have logarithm in base 2 of the first number, which is 2 squared, now plus logarithm in the same base 2 of 3 plus logarithm in base 2 of 7, okay? Now, when you have this, logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. So we have 6x to be equal to, we multiply this power, so we have 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2, okay? Now, this becomes 6x to be equal to, logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2, okay? Now, from here, we can try to divide both sides by 6. So we have x now to be equal to 2 divided by 6 is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 into logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2, okay? This becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.